and talk about Delhi Dangal, because less than 24 hours to go as far as the countdown which has already begun, and Delhi people tomorrow would be voting, because however when it comes to the politics, that seems to be only going on, because right now we talk about this fresh claim that has now been made by Chief Minister Atishi, alleging that the BJP has violated the Model Code of Conduct. According to the Delhi Chief Minister, they received some information that someone from Ramesh Biduri's Tughlakabad team is threatening the people in JJ camp, and they saw Ramesh Biduri's son, Manish Biduri, with 3-4 other outsiders. Now, this is a claim that is now being made by the Chief Minister himself. Listen in to this reaction to know exactly what has happened.
Accused इसमें person आपके SHO हैं, so obviously no one from this police. Just 1 second.
Whoever is accused will be taking a proper legal action against them.
अगर accused आपके SHO हैं, obviously investigating officer cannot be anyone from this police station.
हाँ, बिल्कुल, वो मैम देख लेते हैं. आप जैसा कहेंगे हम देख लेंगे. We'll take proper legal action.
हाँ जी.
There will be.
नहीं, वो तो ये नहीं कर सकते, वो तो इलेक्शन कमीशन कर सकता है.
एक्शन होगा, बिल्कुल अनबायस्ड लीगल एक्शन होगा.
अनबायस्ड तो नहीं,
प्रॉपर लीगल एक्शन.
अनबायस्ड तो नहीं लग रहा ना हर्ष जी, इसलिए नहीं लग रहा बिकॉज वो लड़के तो यहाँ पे बेचारे तब से बैठे हुए हैं, उनको तो कुछ फर्स्ट एड भी नहीं मिला.
प्रोसीजर तो जाने पड़ेगा.
देखिए, ये पूरा घटनाक्रम तकरीबन रात के 11-11:30 बजे शुरू हुआ, जब हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं से शिकायत आई कि JJ कैंप गिरिनगर के बाहर कुछ बाहरी लोग बैठे हैं, वोटर्स को धमका रहे हैं. हम वहाँ पे गए, हमने एक GPS स्टैम्प्ड फ़ोटो कुछ व्यक्तियों के लिए DCP को भेजी, RO को भेजी. फिर पुलिस वाले उस व्यक्ति को लेके गए. हमें डाउट था कि क्या करेंगे. हम उस गाड़ी के पीछे पुलिस थाने की तरफ आए. रास्ते में एक और गाड़ी दिखी जो हमारा वीडियो बनाती हुई लेके जा रही थी. जब उस गाड़ी के पास गए, वो गाड़ी आगे जाके रुकी, शायद कुछ और पार्क था उसके आगे. 3 लोग उस गाड़ी के अंदर मौजूद थे. उस गाड़ी में प्रचार सामग्री भी मौजूद थी. SHO के सामने हुआ. SHO ने प्रचार सामग्री निकाली, उन लड़कों से ID मांगा. उनमें से एक लड़का रमेश बिधूड़ी जी का भतीजा है, अनुज बिधूड़ी, सेठी नाम से भी जाना जाता है. उसको पुलिस वालों ने यहाँ से भगा दिया. हमारी आंखों के सामने वो उसे पुलिस थाने की तरफ लेके गए. हमने वीडियो बनाने की कोशिश की, पुलिस वालों ने उसे लोकेशन से भगा दिया. इन द मीन टाइम 2 लोकल लड़के जो यहाँ पे वीडियो बना रहे थे, उनको पुलिस वाले मार पीट कर थाने के अंदर ले गई.
Now, these are the allegations that have now been leveled by the Chief Minister of the National Capital, as now she is seeking direct intervention on part of the Election Commission. Not satisfied as far as the response that she has been getting from the police's side as well, which said that they would be conducting an investigation in an unbiased manner. However, she seems to be now appealing to the Election Commission to take note. But this is when it comes to, as far as the version that is now being given by the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that they received certain information that from Ramesh Biduri's Tughlakabad, the team that seems to be threatening the people in JJ camp, which is Girinagar area, and apparently they saw Ramesh Biduri's son with 3-4 other outsiders, and that is the appeal that now they seem to be making to the Election Commission. However, there is now a response that is coming from Mr. Ramesh Biduri himself, because he seems to be rejecting the allegations that have now been made by the Delhi Chief Minister. Let's put that out for our viewers to see. This is what is now coming in as far as the translation now that is now concerned from Ramesh Biduri's account on X, where he says, Atishi ji, don't say anything in the frustration of defeat like Kejriwal ji. Don't tarnish the dignity of the constitutional post of your own selfish interests. I have 2 sons. The elder one is an advocate in Delhi High Court, and the younger one is a mechanical engineer who is the vice president of a company abroad and is currently there. Do not lose your patience due to the frustration of defeat and have faith in democracy. A few days ago, you came live and showed someone's photo and called him Manish Biduri, and today you're calling someone else Manish Biduri. The election campaign is now over, and let the public decide. Hail Ma Karka and Jai Shri Ram. This is, however, when it comes to the response, the counter that is coming from Ramesh Biduri.